Eligibility. 1. Educational qualification. Generally, a minimum of 10 plus 2 or its equivalent is required. Some institutions may require a specific stream, e.g., arts, commerce, for eligibility. 2. Entrance exams. Many fashion design schools conduct entrance exams. Popular exams include NIFT National Institute of Fashion Technology and NID National Institute of Design. 3. Age criteria. Age limits may vary, but typically candidates should be between 17 and 23 years. 4. Portfolio submission. Some institutes may require a portfolio showcasing artistic skills and design ideas. 5. Degree courses. Bachelor's in Fashion Design is a common degree program. Duration is usually 3 to 4 years. 6. Diploma and certificate courses. Shorter courses are available for those seeking specialized skills. Institution name. 1. National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT, renowned for its Bachelor of Design B. Day and Master of Design M. Day programs. 2. National Institute of Design NID offers graduate diploma program in design GDPD and Master of Design M. Day. 3. Pearl Academy offers various undergraduate and postgraduate programs in fashion design. 4. Symbiosis Institute of Design SID, known for its Bachelor of Design B. Day in Fashion Communication. 5. JD Institute of Fashion Technology offers diverse courses including diploma and degree programs in fashion design. 6. Vogue Institute of Art and Design offers Bachelor of Science B. SC and Master of Science MSc in Fashion and Apparel Design. 7. Amity School of Fashion Technology. Part of Amity University, it provides programs in fashion design at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. 8. Indian School of Design and Innovation ISDI offers a Bachelor of Design B. Day in Fashion Design. 9. Manipal Institute of Technology, School of Design, offers Bachelor of Design B. Day and Master of Design M. Day programs. 10. International Institute of Fashion Design INIFD, known for its fashion design courses at various levels. Fashion designer job description. 1. Conceptualization. Generate creative ideas for clothing, accessories, or footwear based on market trends and consumer preferences. 2. Research and trend analysis. Stay updated on fashion trends, materials, and technologies. Conduct market research to identify emerging trends and consumer needs. 3. Sketching and prototyping. Create detailed sketches or computer-aided designs CAD to visualize and communicate design concepts. Develop prototypes to test and refine designs. 4. Material selection. Choose appropriate fabrics, trims, and accessories for the design, considering factors like comfort, durability, and cost. 5. Collaboration. Work closely with other designers, merchandisers, and manufacturers to ensure the successful execution of designs. 6. Pattern making. Develop patterns for garments, ensuring proper fit and aesthetics. 7. Sampling and production oversight. Supervise the creation of samples and monitor the production process to maintain design integrity. 8. Presentation. Present design concepts to clients, retailers, or design teams through sketches, mood boards, or presentations. 9. Adaptability. Modify designs based on feedback, market trends, or production constraints. 10. Quality control. Ensure the final product meets quality standards and design specifications. 11. Business awareness. Stay informed about the business side of fashion, including marketing, retail, and branding. 12. Communication skills. Effectively communicate design ideas and collaborate with team members, manufacturers, and clients. 13. Deadline management. Work within tight timelines and meet project deadlines. 14. Brand representation. Contribute to building and maintaining the brand image through innovative and market-appropriate designs. 15. Adherence to ethical and sustainable practices. Consider and integrate ethical and sustainable practices into the design and production process. Fashion designers play a crucial role in shaping the aesthetics and trends of the fashion industry, blending creativity with practical considerations. Skills for a fashion designer. 1. Creativity. Ability to generate unique and innovative design concepts. 2. Artistic skills. Proficiency in sketching, drawing, and other artistic techniques. 3. Color sense. Strong understanding of color theory and the ability to create visually appealing color combinations. 4. Fashion awareness. In-depth knowledge of current fashion trends, historical fashion, and cultural influences. 5. Technical proficiency. Competence in using design software like CAD, computer-aided design, for creating digital representations of designs. 6. Detail-oriented. Precision in creating and overseeing patterns, details, and finishes. 7. Communication skills. Effective communication to convey design ideas and collaborate with team members, clients, and manufacturers. 8. Adaptability. Willingness to adapt designs based on feedback, market trends, or production constraints. 9. Knowledge of fabrics and materials. Understanding of different fabrics, textures, and materials, and their suitability for specific designs. 10. Sewing and pattern making. Proficiency in sewing and pattern making to translate designs into tangible garments. 11. Business acumen. Awareness of the business side of fashion, including marketing, branding, and retail strategies. 12. Time management. Ability to work within tight deadlines and manage time effectively. 13. Collaboration. Capacity to work collaboratively with other designers, merchandisers, and production teams. 14. Critical thinking. Analytical skills to assess the feasibility and practicality of design concepts. 15. Problem-solving skills. Quick and effective problem-solving when faced with design or production challenges. 16. Market research. Capability to conduct market research and stay informed about consumer preferences and industry trends. 17. Staying updated. Commitment to continuous learning and staying updated on evolving design techniques and technologies. Fashion designers with a diverse skill set are better equipped to navigate the dynamic and competitive fashion industry. Scope and opportunities in fashion design. 1. Global industry presence. Fashion design offers opportunities on a global scale, with the ability to work for international brands or launch your own global fashion line. 2. Diverse career paths. Opportunities exist in various areas, including apparel design, accessories, footwear, costume design, and more. 3. Entrepreneurship. High potential for starting your own fashion label or boutique, leveraging unique design concepts. 4. Retail and merchandising. Careers in retail and merchandising involve working with fashion products, managing inventory, and ensuring products align with market trends. 5. Textile and apparel industry. Employment opportunities in textile manufacturing and apparel production, contributing to the entire supply chain. 6. E-commerce and digital platforms. Rising demand for fashion designers in the digital space, creating designs for online platforms and e-commerce websites. 7. Luxury fashion. Opportunities to work with luxury brands, creating high-end, exclusive designs for discerning clientele. 8. Media and entertainment. Involvement in costume design for film, television, and theater, offering a unique and creative outlet. 9. Fashion journalism and blogging. Writing about fashion trends, conducting interviews, and providing insights into the fashion world. 10. Fashion styling. Careers in styling involve coordinating and selecting clothing and accessories for photo shoots, events, and celebrities. 11. Consultancy and freelancing. Flexibility to work as a consultant or freelancer, taking on projects with different clients or companies. 12. Sustainability and ethical fashion. Growing opportunities in designing sustainable and eco-friendly fashion, addressing the increasing focus on ethical practices. 13. Academia and training. Teaching fashion design in educational institutions or conducting workshops and training programs. 14. Fashion technology. Opportunities in leveraging technology for fashion, such as 3D printing, virtual fitting rooms, and digital fashion. 15. Event management. Involvement in organizing and managing fashion events, shows, and exhibitions. The fashion design field is dynamic, offering a wide range of opportunities for creative individuals to explore and specialize in various niches within the industry. Earning potential. The earning potential for fashion designers in India can vary based on factors such as experience, expertise, location, and the type of employer. Here's a brief overview. 1. Entry-level positions. Junior designers or design assistants may earn anywhere from 3 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees per annum. 2. Mid-level positions. With a few years of experience, mid-level designers can earn between 6 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees annually. 3. Senior positions. Senior or lead designers, especially those working with established brands or in leadership roles, can earn upwards of 12 lakh rupees per annum. 4. High-end and established designers. Successful and renowned designers, especially those with their own labels, may have significantly higher earnings ranging from 20 lakh rupees to several crores per year. Working in metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Delhi, or Bengaluru often comes with higher salary prospects due to the concentration of fashion industry opportunities. Rising in niche areas like bridal wear, luxury fashion, or sustainable fashion can impact earning potential positively. It's important to note that these figures are approximate and can vary based on individual circumstances. Additionally, the fashion industry often rewards creativity, innovation, and brand recognition, contributing to variations in earnings among designers.